So this is the first job opening that we have, which is in e-security 5. I already said this job opening yesterday as well, but I'm saying once again because they're looking from a very long time. So they're looking someone who should have good knowledge, right? And they want only two peoples. Okay, it's on-site job. Okay, I don't know which is the work place. They want minimum 1 years of experience. Okay, right now there is very less company who's looking for people without no experience. So I prefer you to do internship, or before that just do some sort of courses, because you'll not get hired without experience. Okay. Even if I'll tell you about myself, I only hire the people who have good experience, because no company wants to invest on someone who should not have good knowledge. Then the questions you'll be asking ki, then sir, how the freshers will get a job. But if there is an internship for you, there are a couple of courses, just do and then get the internship and then do the jobs. Anyways, apart from that, 3 to 4 LPA, that's what they can pay you. It's immediate joining. This is a contact number on which you can contact. You can drop your mail ID, right? You can drop your resume accordingly. They will just contact you. Now let's move. This is another job opening that we have, which is VAPT. Again, it's 2 years, so we are not going to consider it as experience. Again, it's kind of fresher steps. 2 years is not considered as a lot of experience, so it's kind of fresher. Okay. So it's in Ahmedabad, Gujarat job. Minimum 2 years of experience is required, and they want someone who can join on immediate basis. So this is contact number, and this is the contact number, right? This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. So they want someone with a good knowledge, right? And please read the job description carefully to apply for. So accordingly, we can do. Just contact this number if you want any JD or something. Accordingly, they will help you out. Next is position as a cybersecurity associate or cybersecurity consultant as an attack and pen test, which is much into red teaming. So they want minimum 1 years of experience. Okay, and up to 4 years of experience. If you're fresher with a minimum 1 year of experience, you can do. Mobile pen testing network and a web is required. On-site work is day. It's 10 day. Like if you're working somewhere, then you should have notice period of max to max 10 days. Then only you can get hired. Okay, so if you meet all those criteria, you can get hired. So just drop your resume with the subject line VAPT along with this is a mail ID. Okay, and this opportunity is exclusive for the candidate with the VAPT experience, and application that do not match the specific criteria will not get considered. When you will not get the response. Now next, VAPT security analyst. Again, they want minimum 1 years of experience, guys. It's a Hyderabad job, work from office full time. So the company is Virtue Tech. They want VAPT security analyst. Okay, and responsibility are you need to pen test the API, mobile application, whatever they have. Okay, you need to understand API. Okay, how does API work? API infrastructure and all those things, right? Collaborate with the security team to improve security practices and solution. At least 1 year of experience is mandatory. Okay, like certificate experience, whatever you have as an internship or something. API and mobile security is something on which you need to focus a little more, right? You need to familiar with the OWASP, JAP, Bob Suit, Postman. So these are very basic tools you can do. Strong understanding of security vulnerabilities such as OWASP top 10, right? And this is the mail ID, pujasri.g@virtuetech.com. So just drop your mail and resume, and let's see what the response you're getting. Next is hiring for cyber review analysis and role in the top MNCs. It's 6 month. Okay, they want minimum 6 months of experience as cybersecurity risk analysis. Okay, and they want someone who can work from office. This is the immediate working job. Okay, immediate joining is preferable. Data breach, incident response, document review. There are a couple of things you need to do, and I guess, yeah, according to my experience, is threat intelligence job as well, where you need to dig out the threats, company threats, whatever you want. Mail ID is dathilala@eteaminc.com. So you can drop your resume here. So that's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, please go ahead. Okay, so there are a couple of questions in the chat box. So thank you very much for that.